Hello and welcome back to Outward Bound UAE's series of short videos to help keep you entertained while you're stuck indoors. Today we're going to be looking at compass bearings, how to take a compass bearing and how to use it to navigate when you're in the hills.
To find our bearing from the map, we're going to need to do a few things using the compass. The first thing we're going to do is take note of what we're finding our bearings to and from. For this one, we're going to go from this campsite here and we're going to go to this campsite here. Alright, quite important that you make sure you line your compass up the same way that you're going to be travelling. If it was the other way around, you would have the wrong bearing. So the direction of travel arrow goes in the direction that we're going to travel. From the first camp to the second camp, we're going to line the side of our compass up with those two camps. So that is exactly lined up, straight line. The next thing we do is we take note of the orienting lines in the middle of the compass. So we hold the base plate down and we're going to line up the orienting lines to match the north lines on our map. Just like that. Make sure they're exact. From this point, we can then take the compass off the page. To walk along this bearing, we're going to need to line up the red needle in the middle with the orienting arrow. So what we do is we turn our compass until they're lined up, and then the direction of travel arrow will point us the way that we travel in real life. We've used our compass to find our bearing, and then we've just transitioned outdoors so I can show you how to actually walk where you need to go using your compass. The first step we're going to do is the direction of travel arrow. We're going to get that pointing away from ourselves. We're going to hold the compass close to your body. And then I'm going to turn myself. I'm not going to turn the compass, I'm going to turn my entire body until the red needle lines up with the orienting arrow in the middle. From there, I can look back up and I can use this direction of travel arrow, which is now pointing where I need to go, and I'm going to pick something in the distance that it's pointing towards. For me, this might be a tree just over there in the distance, and I'm going to use that as a reference. So I'm going to walk to the tree, and then I'm going to use the same technique I just used to find my bearing again, the same bearing, and then pick a new point. So you're leapfrogging your points, and eventually you'll end up where you need to get to. That's the end of our compass video today. Next time, we're going to be looking at back bearings. We're going to get a little bit more complicated with the techniques that we'll be using. That's all from us today though, so thank you very much for watching and we'll see you next time. Ma salama.